All right, next step is to, kind of hard to see here. This is a line for the refrigerant here. This is a line for the refrigerant. And the next step is to install this line here, the refrigerant line. Now this refrigerant line, it comes as a roll. You just need to gently unroll this one here, and then use this line connecting the air handler to the outside condenser. Now I have somebody come to do the welding of the line for me. So it's welded here, it's braced here. I have somebody to do this one here. I don't have the equipment for that. So we need to have oxyacetylene brazing equipment, and also you need to have a vacuum pump to make sure there's no leak. Also, you need to have nitrogen gas when you do the brazing. You gotta flush with nitrogen gas. I don't have those equipment, so I have somebody do this step for me.